Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at Willow Cottage. Now, this is a 4-bedroom detached property. It's located in Chislett, which is a small village located just between Canterbury and Herne Bay. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous area to live in. You're, of course, just around the corner from Howth and Maypole as well. And this property is absolutely marvellous. Of course, we've got the 4 bedrooms here, the first of which is just through that left door, and we'll go and take a look at that now. So, as you can see, currently laid out as an at-home study, and you could easily do this as well. Whether or not you'd like to use this perhaps as another little reception space or as a bedroom, it's completely up to you. But the wonderful thing about this property and its location is it's a true one-off. You do not get many opportunities to acquire a property with this sort of opportunity, and I really look forward to showing you around the rest of the property. We'll come through and take a little look at the lounge area now, and of course the first thing you notice is that really lovely wood burning stove in the fireplace there. It's a real focal point to the room, it adds a lot of character, and it makes this room a wonderful, cosy and enclosed space, especially in those winter months when it gets a bit colder outside. You've got the fire on in here. It's a really, really lovely space. And of course, just through these French doors here, you've got the dining room, which we'll go through and take a look at now. And as we look through, you can see it's finished immaculately throughout here. There's really nothing that you have to do here whatsoever. The property is decorated very, very tastefully, and that is partly because the property itself was built in 2006. So it's done to a very modern standard, but it ties in so well with the surrounding area and with the more characterful properties that are out there. You get a little view of the outside through the doors there and out into the garden, which is an absolutely wonderful space. A very, very large back garden there, because of course it does contain that self-contained annex that we're going to go and take a look at. But the garden itself measures about 121 foot. So coming back through the dining room here, what we're going to do is go through and take a look at, of course, the downstairs cloakroom and the kitchen. Let's take a look at the kitchen now, and of course when we go through, you'll see on the left hand side you've got the stable door, of which you can access the side of the property from, and it's nice that you can have the top part open up in the summer months when it's a bit warmer, let all that nice natural light and air flood through. And of course the kitchen itself is modelled on a nice country style kitchen, so you've got that lovely butler's sink, but you've got all of the fitted appliances in here as well. You've got that lovely window overlooking the front there as well. Now that we find ourselves upstairs in the main part of the property, we'll take a look at bedrooms 1, 2 and 3. You've also of course got the family bathroom up here as well. Now the bedrooms up here are a really decent size, and the 2 bedrooms at the back got those windows which overlook that lovely rear garden as well, and you've got some really nice views of the surrounding countryside because of course you are really out of the way in Chislett. You're gonna, it's a few minutes drive certainly in the car to get to Herne Bay or Canterbury, so if you're looking for that really nice secluded village lifestyle, this is exactly the place to be. You've got a plethora of countryside walks right on your doorstep, and you've got one of the area's most popular country pubs out here as well, the Gate Inn. Here we are now in the master bedroom. Of course, again, easily a double size in here, and we've got the access to the ensuite in here as well. Of course, you can see just through that window there that self-contained annex just in the back garden, and we'll go and take a look at that a little bit later. But as you can see, this room is certainly a nice double size, and you've got the access point to the ensuite, which we'll take a look at in just a few moments. Here we are in bedroom number 2, and of course, as you can see, it's easily again a double size. You've got plenty of space in here for the double bed and for the wardrobe, and a bit more storage in here as well. You've got again that lovely big window at the front, just letting all that natural light through. That's of course just overlooking the front driveway of the property, and we'll go through back over the landing and take a look at the family bathroom. So here we are, the last room in the main part of the residence, of course the family bathroom. You'll see you've got a lovely bath on the right hand side, and of course it's a really nice size. It's got a luxurious finish. It's really quite a relaxing space that you can enjoy. So what we'll do next, after we've taken a look here at the bathroom, we're going to go out into the back garden, and we're going to show you the self-contained annex and the garden. So here we are now taking a look inside this self-contained annex located in the rear garden. Now this space is absolutely fantastic. You've got that kitchen area there, which is brilliant, but the lounge space here is just so open. You've got those lovely sets of French doors on the right hand side there at the front, just letting all of that light in, and of course in the summertime you can throw those doors open and bring the outside inside. It's a lovely, lovely space, and I mean the entirety of this self-contained one bedroom building here, it works out about 941 square feet of living space. Now, this is a really good opportunity. It's been let out successfully by the current owners through booking.com and Airbnb, and you know, it's another source of income. It's an absolutely wonderful, wonderful opportunity. So that concludes our tour of Willow Cottage. Of course, it's a wonderful opportunity to get not only a 4-bedroom detached house, but also a 1-bedroom detached annex located within the rear garden. It's a wonderful opportunity, and I'd certainly ask that you give us a call at Kent Estate Agencies if you've got any further questions on this one. We'll finish this tour off just by having a look out the Velux window there over the rear garden and just looking back at the house. Thank you.